So I made myself a face mask and it is way too big for my face. It covers my whole face. It's kind of uncomfortable. And I've seen other people with the same issue, so I'm going to show you how to fix this. So you want to first put some pins where the pleats are in your mask, the folds, if you have folds in your mask, and make sure you do this below where you're going to cut this off. For my mask, I cut off about 1.5 to 2 inches of one side of the mask. So I made sure to pin about 1.5 to 2 inches below where I wanted to cut, and then go ahead and cut that excess off. And make sure you use sharp scissors. Mine were so dull and it was so hard to cut through this. There, now none of your pleats will come undone. You don't have to worry about redoing that. And go ahead and hold it up to your face at this point. It should really only extend like maybe 1.5 inches past each side of your mouth, otherwise it's too big. So now you need a new strap, or I guess you could reuse the old one. Find the center of it, and with right sides together, sew it to that raw edge of the mask that you just cut off. Make sure you backstitch on both ends to really secure those stitches, and cut your threads. And now you can take the pins out that were holding those pleats in place, and go ahead and hold it up to your face again to make sure it's a better size and that it's comfortable. So now just fold the edges of that new strap in so that all of the raw edges are on the inside, and sew over that. And then once you get to the strap, fold each raw edge in and then fold it in half. That way all of the raw edges are inside of the tube, and just sew along the edge to keep everything on the inside.
And there you have it. Look how much better this is. I hope this is helpful. Please like and share so that it can help someone else. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.